Your lesson essential question is, how do we use key details to identify the main idea of sections of a text? So we're going to be focusing on main idea, and we'll be supporting the main idea with key details. Last week you learned about the main topic. The main topic is what the story is mostly about. Those key details tell important information about the story. They give information about the main topic. The main idea gets a little deeper. The main idea is the most important points an author makes about a topic. And then, of course, the key details still tell about and support the main idea. So think about if you were reading about Martin Luther King. Are you reading? Maybe the topic is Martin Luther King and the main idea is his childhood. So the main idea gets a little deeper about the topic. So the main topic is what the text is all about. The main idea of a text is what is most important to understand about the topic. Then, of course, like we said, the key details are the most important details about the main idea. We're going to start by identifying the topic, which you've already learned how to do. Then we'll talk about the main idea. And then we'll be able to look for those key details that support the main idea. And then, of course, in the end, we tie it all together by speaking and writing about the main idea. Let's read a text together and talk about main idea. This is called They've Got the Beat. Some students in New York really sing their hearts out. That's because they are in the school chorus at Public School 22. These students from Staten Island had a concert at the White House. They sang at a Hollywood Awards show. Audiences have clapped and cheered them on. These kids are always asked to return. How does it feel to sing on stage? I get nervous singing for a big audience, Brianna Crispino recalls. But when I see the joy on their faces, I get excited. And there's a text feature here. There's a photograph, and the caption says, Brianna Crispino, Public School 22 chorus member. So this helps me visualize what she looks like. We're going to read the section Sounds Good, and we'll talk about the main idea and some of the key details. And then you're going to identify the rest of the key details today in your assignment. Tomorrow on your own, you'll work with musical expression. Sounds good. The PS22 chorus is divided into two groups. The sopranos sing high notes. The altos sing lower sounds. Instruments like drums sometimes keep the beat. It's important to keep the rhythm so they make the right sounds together. Most adult choruses have four groups of voices. Here's a look at the number of each type of voice in one adult chorus from Pennsylvania. Voices in a chorus: soprano, tenor, bass, and alto. You can see that sopranos have the most at about 17. I'm saying 17 because it's between the 16 and the 18. Tenors have the least at about 8. And then we have the bass and alto, they're about the same. So this is a really great graph to help us learn more information about the topic. Before we keep going, I want you to identify the main topic of this text. You probably said the school chorus. Now, if I'm focusing on the main idea of sounds good, I would say that it's pretty much about the groups in the chorus. So my topic is the school chorus, and my main idea of this section is the groups in the school chorus. So it's telling a little bit more about the topic. Some of my key details tell about the groups in the chorus. So the sopranos sing the high notes. I think that's really important to know because the sopranos are one of the groups in the chorus. Today in your discussion post, you're going to be identifying two more key details that tell about the groups in the chorus. So you're finding two key details about those groups.